it is our second day and we're on sea today. So it's a sea day, so if you guys have been ever on a cruise, you understand sea days is kind of just like you make it what you can and see what's going on. John and I may check out some trivia, or we're gonna go check out the Fun Aboard, Fun Ashore show. We've always tried to go to it because we heard that they give away free stuff, and so we're gonna go check it out, see what it's about. We know a couple that has gone to it and they enjoyed it, so we're gonna really just explore what we haven't done before. We may check out an art auction. I don't know, guys, but it is New Year's Eve. So that means today we're gonna step into the future. But it also means that tonight is gonna be the quality content. So that means you wanna keep on watching and you wanna keep seeing what's going on, because we have the New Year's Eve party, we have a great dinner tonight, we have a lot of fun planned, so don't miss out. And I got some ducks to hide today too, so follow along with us, y'all.
So the weather isn't too bad. It's partly cloudy. It's about, 75 degrees. It's pretty bad, ain't bad. All kinds of fun activities to do on the sea day. You can go up on the pedaling coasters up there. I don't know what they're officially called. There's a ropes course, and there's a volleyball tournament.
From Harmon and Stevens from St. George, Utah. Cute. Here's a duck.
He's up there. Gotta keep your eyes open. Find those ducks.
Okay, we're good. Awesome. I hope you're ready for that. And then they'll have a bus shuttle operation. I'll explain all that to you as well. Also, the next day we'll go to Mazatlan bright and early at 8 a.m. And then we'll go to Puerto Vallarta, our last beautiful port. And then we have 2 fun-filled days at sea. And then we're back home to Long Beach. Oh, too soon. Enjoy this wonderful all-inclusive luxury day sail right there in Cabo. Now, this one's geared more towards the families, for those who are traveling with kids and all that jazz. I think it's time to give away another short excursion. They look sad. We got Las Caletas, we got fiestas, shows, and a lady on a random date with a guy. Yes. All right.
We lost.
Thank you so much for
But
joining me.
they gave out a ton of free stuff, a ton of free excursions.
Yes.
Steakhouse dinner.
All right, I gotta take this. They give a lot of insight on each port that you're gonna go to, things that are going on the ship, so you gotta check it out. They give away a couple things. So they gave away like dinner things, they gave away excursions, they gave away clothing, they gave away jewelry. They pretty much gave away everything that they could. But it's a really good and informative show to go check out. So make sure you go check it out. It normally happens the second day that you're on the ship. So see what's going on. But I think now we're gonna explore a little bit, see what's going on. We'll bring you along with us. It's a sea day. It's a good day. It's a relaxing day.
What'd you find?
Found a duck with a sombrero.
What does it say?
It says, stop ducking around, go fiesta. Alright, so we're trying something new. We're here at Gigi's Asian Kitchen. If you didn't know, they actually do the Mongolian walk in this area, and then across the way in Cucina del Capitano, they do a pasta bar. So we're gonna get something to eat. We're hungry. It's been a while.
I decided to get some blue iguana tacos again. They are delicious.
Okay, so I had my wok. It was very good. They made it however you need. So if you have an allergy, just let them know. They're able to eliminate it. And then I had a salad, and it was delicious. But I think I'm gonna go see what they have for sweets, see if there's any other options. If not, then I'm gonna go grab some fruit. But lunch is a A+ in my book today.
Ladies and gentlemen, the eve of New Year is upon us. I got my cup of joe, ready to last through the night, through the New Year's. What about you?
I took a nap to help me prepare for tonight, because it's gonna be a long night. But it's gonna be a night that's filled with a good time, because there's no better way to ring in a new year than on a cruise ship. Am I right, John?
That's right. So goodbye 2023. Hello.
2024. I'm excited, man. This is gonna be a great year. We have some good things planned, right, John?
We do.
And actually, I think that's probably the best time to say, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because you're not gonna want to miss anything new. We have new ports, we have new ships, new cruise lines we're going on. I mean, come on, guys. You want to catch up with us, and that just means more places to hide ducks. So if you're a duck hider, you know what I mean. You look forward to those like new spots to hide them in. Anything else, John?
We'll see you in 2024. Not again.
A duck. Number 6, y'all. Number 6. It's from the Taunt. Nice. And they're from Long Beach, California. I found your duck.
It's elegant night. Lots of people looking dressed nice.
Very sharp. Everybody looking very, very sharp tonight.
And that wraps up dinner. I give it a solid 6 out of 6. Wasn't the greatest. Service has been a little bit slow on this ship.
My chicken breast was a little drier than a normal chicken you would get. But I mean, overall, it fed us. Our stomachs are full. Now we're gonna go see. Sorry, y'all. We just climbed up the flights of stairs. It's been easier to take the stairs than it's been the elevators on this ship. But anyways, we're gonna go check out what's going on. Live band plays tonight. The group's gonna go hang out at the Alchemy, and then what else are we gonna do?
Not sure. We'll see what the night brings.
Yeah.
Carnival Panorama rock band. Man, aren't they good? Very talented.
Actually, John, you meant to say hot shots, and that's exactly what they are. They're super, super good. It's a great time. People are out on the dance floor having the time of their life. I mean, they're letting go of 2023 and getting ready to bring in 2024. We got these nice little nifty things.
Yeah.
I guess you could say we're lit. Right, John?
We're lit.
We're lit. But on the other hand, it's been a great night. I mean, kind of just relaxing, watching the band play, listening to them, watching people dance, have a good time. I don't think there's any other way that I would want to ring in a new year.
No, we like just sitting, relaxing, watching the band, watching them play all these old classic 80s, 70s music.
The occasional dance when we can, but majority of the time we're sitting, we're chilling, and we're having a good time, wouldn't you say?
That's right, we're having a good time.
So, let me just tell you, it is 10:02, so it has not become New Year. We got 2 hours left, John.
We do.
2 hours left. What do you say to 2023? Has it been good? Has it been bad? Has it been okay?
It's been good.
It's been good.
It's been good.
But 2024 is going to be great. So keep watching so you can follow along with us when we count down to 2024. See you guys soon. So many people. We're 15 minutes away from 2024. It's a good time. The Lido deck is packed. I mean, packed with people. But it's going to be a good time. They're playing music. Everybody's dancing. Everybody's having a good time. So we're bringing you along. I'm sure John is going to play shots throughout this whole entire time that I'm talking about this. But get ready, because countdown is coming. 15 minutes till 2024. I'm excited.
My name is Dymon. Can I get a big old hey, Dymon? Who's ready to bring So I need everybody killing me softly. Say what? With me. So I need everybody to put your hands together like so. Come on. Say. Oh, y'all sound good to me. Here we go. Say what? Now, do this. Come on. Hey, 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 hey.
'23, it's been a great, fantastic year. 2024, get ready, because here we come. And as always, go on a cruise.
And have a good time.
See you guys in the next one.